Hi David, so this is a tutorial on how to zoom into the lyrics on the assignments on Google Classroom. A lot of them I put on Google Slides, so the text is often small. So this is just a tutorial on how to zoom in on all Google Slides. So you're gonna click on the text and then, or the assignment, I'm sorry, and then over here with this magnifying glass, don't click just the magnifying glass button because then it's only going to zoom in on certain spots. If you do the drop down 100%, it will zoom in for you. And that way it's going to be that way for the entire song or the entire assignment. And then you go to the next slide and it's also going to be there as well. Now if you need to zoom out, click the drop down button. You could do 50%, you can do fit to screen. If you wanted to get it really large, I mean, you could do 200%, but I don't think you need it that large. 100% is typically the focus. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And again, this song was for you. Take care, bud.